Gaza could be better than Monaco, Trump says. Gaza could be rebuilt better than Monaco, the Mediterranean haven for the super rich, former U.S. President Donald Trump suggested on Monday. The Republican presidential candidate made the comments in an interview with conservative radio host Hugh Hewitt, who asked him whether the coastal enclave devastated by Israel's year-long military offensive could be another Monaco if it was rebuilt the right way. Gaza could be better than Monaco, Trump said. It has the best location in the Middle East, the best water, the best everything. Trump, a former real estate developer, added that he had been there and it was a rough place, but New York Times reported that there is no record of Trump visiting Gaza as president or as a businessman. A campaign official told the newspaper Trump had been referring to Israel, which Trump visited along with the West Bank when he was president in 2017. Gaza was occupied by Israel for decades but has not been part of the country. Trump's remarks echo those of his son-in-law Jared Kushner, who said in February that Gaza's waterfront property could be very valuable. 1 year into Israel's military offensive, which has included ground invasion and strikes, much of Gaza has been left in ruins, with a quarter of its buildings destroyed or severely damaged, according to the United Nations. This is from Politico. The UN and World Bank estimated the cost of rebuilding Gaza's critical infrastructure in April at $18.5 billion. This is on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.